Hello folks, this is Bobby Morales, Sales and Marketing Manager at Cajon Ford. Have a great treat. Everybody's heard about the employee pricing program by Ford. You pay what we pay. The pricing level on this is you pay what a factory worker buys it at from the factory at the Ford dealership. That's even better than us here at the dealership get it for. It is the best pricing program ever by Ford. And right now that's open for you, the public. For example, this Ford Ranger can be yours at what a factory worker pays for it. An F-150, 2024, 2025, at what a factory worker pays for it. A Bronco Sport, at what a factory worker pays for it. This is an awesome deal. I'm not sure if you guys know, the public out there, how great of a deal it is. It is something that happens maybe every 25 years, once in a generation. Come on down, get yourself a car deal. It is not going to happen again. Time is limited. We're going to run out of inventory. I guarantee you we will. Don't be one of the ones that comes at the last moment and then wants the color blue and we don't have any but 2 left. Right now, we have plenty of inventory to be able to make you happy. This Ford Expedition 2024. This one is available at factory pricing. This Ford Mach-E 2025 in Eruption Green, available also at factory pricing. You pay what we pay. How about this 2024 Ford Roush? Beautiful Lariat F-250 diesel, 4x4. You couldn't ask for more? Well, guess what? The employee pricing, you pay employee pricing on this, plus the additional upgrades of the Roush Edition. That is a fantastic deal for you. F-150s also right here, available at Cajon Ford. The Explorers at factory pricing. The Ford Mustangs at factory pricing. And what we sold right now, last month we sold almost 40 Ford Mavericks. We still have plenty on the lot. Come get yours now at factory pricing. I'm telling you, this is a once-in-a-generation deal. Buy at what a factory worker from Ford buys their vehicles at. Here at Cajon Ford,